Hello everyone friends, today on the channel I'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11 on your PC. In Windows 11 there's actually no need to go into the BIOS anymore. You can reinstall Windows directly through settings. To do this, I'll open the Start menu and type in Settings. I'll open Settings and here we need Windows Update. There. Next, we'll go to Advanced Options and click on the Recovery button here. And here's the button to reset this PC. This is how you reinstall Windows. So click Reset this PC. Then you just need to choose whether to remove all files or keep your personal data. After making your selection, we'll start the reinstallation. You're starting the reinstallation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.